YogaBook 9i. The best and most versatile laptop that will exceed your expectations. Groundbreaking dual-display multi-mode laptop. Powered by Intel Core Ultra processor and the Intel Evo Edition. Two stunning 13.3 PureSight OLED touchscreen displays. Detachable keyboard, stylus pen, mouse, and folio stand included. Lenovo AI Engine Plus smartly unlocks maximum performance and efficiency. Includes a complimentary 2-month membership for Adobe Creative Cloud. Energy Star rated and carbon neutral certified *, achieves plastic-free packaging. The Lenovo YogaBook 9i, 13, Intel, Ultra 7 processor is perfectly suited for your hybrid lifestyle. Combined with accelerated machine learning from Lenovo AI Engine Plus, it smartly unlocks maximum performance and creative efficiency on two full-sized OLED touchscreen displays. It's an Evo edition that comes with Intel Iris Xe graphics on board, unleashing supercharged visuals for an elevated creative journey. For non-stop productivity, experience longer battery life that tops up quickly with rapid charge technology. YogaBook comes with a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, a stylus pen, and a folio case. The innovative folio case is an origami-inspired masterpiece. Compact and sleek when closed, it unfolds into a stable, versatile stand, catering to every viewing angle. It's magnetically designed to secure the wireless keyboard, and includes a specialized holder for the stylus pen. Intel Core Ultra 7 155U, 12M cache, up to 4.80 Hz. 16GB LPDDR5X7467, on board. 1TB NVMe GE-N4 M2 SSD. Breathtaking twin 13.3 inches 2.8K PureSight OLED touchscreens beckon you with absolute brilliance, and boast the highest resolutions, deepest contrasts, and sharpest clarity. Every hue and shade are rendered in exquisite realism with up to 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. Witness scenes come alive in deeper blacks and brighter whites with VESA-certified display HDR True Black 500 support. Express your creativity on a larger canvas. Conquer virtual realms with a wider field of vision. Multitask like never before. Whatever you do, it's twice the charm. The YogaBook 9i makes it easy to use and to love with its next-level system features. From creating to collaborating, Smart Launcher lets you group and open your go-to apps with a single click. Put your own stamp on the enhanced virtual keyboard by changing its on-screen position, how it feels under your fingers, and how it looks. You can even use your own images. Lose yourself in a book with the Smart Reader, delivering lifelike page-turning and cross-screen reading. And bringing more speed to everything you do, Smart Multitasking adapts to your app habits automatically. Battery 80Wh. Audio 2x2W and 2x2W speakers powered by Bowers & Wilkins with Dolby Atmos. Camera 5MP IRTOF 2.0 webcam with ePrivacy shutter. Wireless Wi-Fi 6E *802.11ax, 2x2. Bluetooth 5.1.